This afternoon, 3 million Floridians remain without power as many are starting a cleanup process that is all too familiar as of late. Hurricane Milton hit Siesta Key just south of Tampa last night as a Category 3, bringing torrential rain and incredibly strong winds as it moved across Florida this morning. The vicious storm came in as a 3 but has since weakened. CBS News says maps show Milton could continue to flood some parts of Florida's Gulf Coast with storm surge as high as 3 to 5 feet. The AP reports at least 4 people are confirmed dead. The National Weather Service confirms more than a dozen tornadoes touched down, and at one point prior to the storm's landfall there were more than 100 tornado warnings across Florida. Look at this video where we can see the Tropicana Field, home of the Tampa Bay Rays, had its roof ripped to shreds. Our CBS partner reported the Tropicana Field was hosting thousands of line members and National Guard members as a staging area when they were preparing to respond.